The purposes of the maintenance scheduler tool is to schedule a maintenance for an equipment or a machine within a plant without affecting the production period. In the dashboard section, click on equipment and to see the entire activity related to the maintenance from January, for example, until now. He can generate the reports, mean time to repair within the last year, the planned maintenance related the selected period, and the percentage of every type of maintenance: preventive, proactive, and reactive. I will continue to present to you the automatic planning tool. I am a supervisor and I would like to schedule some equipment for maintenance without affecting my production period. For this, I will select the desired equipment, move right, I will see the selection, then I will press next. I will see the available technicians for the next period, let's say. I will select all of them. I will see my selection here. I will press next, and the last step, I will insert the next week in which I would like to schedule the maintenance. Then I will insert a name. I will select the predefined task, and by pressing create a procedure, the genetic algorithm from GRC will receive our input that I've sent equipment, the desired technicians, and the desired period of time, and the algorithm will generate an output that can be seen in a calendar. So the supervisor's calendar will be populated with the proposed task. The technician section will be correlated with semantic knowledge base, where all the technicians will be correlated with their capability, the capability to perform a maintenance for a specific equipment. The stock section will be like an inventory of spare parts, and the degree of the novelty of the inventory management tool will be brought by the overview in terms of cost optimization for spare parts, stock adjustment, also the automatic spare parts trigger and delivery based on planning, the automatic monitor and forecast of the spare parts, and spare parts cost based on number of parts used and forecast. This will be an integration with the IMES system. Also, the degree of the novelty will be brought by implementing the automatic planning function based on genetic algorithms, displaying the status of the equipment in real time, the end-on status, including the refurbishment certification that supports the life cycle of the equipment and improving the circular economy. The supervisor will have the possibility to generate a refurbishment certification for the specific equipment. This will be an integration with the refurbishment certification module, but also with the PLM module, where the information will be saved.